Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sophia and I am Moroccan, and in this channel I wanted to share a lot of Moroccan recipes. However, this won't be limited to Moroccan recipes only, as I recently discovered that just cooking and baking, just being in the kitchen has been very soothing, very therapeutic, and I just wanted to share my culinary experience and journey with you guys on this channel. And for today, we're gonna start with the most basic thing in Morocco, and that is the Moroccan mint tea, or what we call ete. So what we'll need is the Moroccan teapot, or what we call berad. We need boiled water. It has to be boiled, like straight out of the heater. Tea, this is the brand Sultan, and it's grain amber pearl green tea. You can also use gunpowder tea, that's also popular. A handful of mint and some sugar. So to start, we'll just take some hot water. We fill the cup. We fill approximately 1 cup, and we just shake it and we toss it. The procedure is done just to heat up the teapot. Now we take about 2 tablespoons of the tea. And we add in about a cup of water. And we let it sit for a minute. Now we just pour this out onto one of the cups. And we keep it as this is the spirit. Now we add in about another cup of hot water. And we let it sit for another minute. After about another minute, we just lightly shake it and we pour it out. This procedure just washes out the leaves. As you can see, the color is not that clear. Now we discard this as we do not need it. Okay, so now we add the spirit back in. And we fill the pot with about 3/4 filled with water. On low heat, we take the pot and we put it on the stove for low heat until the water starts to boil. After it boils, this will take about 2 to 3 minutes. We take it off the heat. So now we add in our sugar. I'm putting in 3 tablespoons, but you can use as much or as little as you want. It depends on how sweet you like. Now we take our mint, just a handful, and to release as much flavor as possible, we just twist it. And we put it in. I'm adding a little bit more. And now we just make sure that the water/liquid covers the tea, but we never stir our tea with a spoon. So now we just close it. Now we just pour it back and forth from 2 cups back to the kettle. This is done just to make sure that the sugar evenly incorporates, because since we don't really stir it with a spoon. So we repeat this process 2-3 times just until we feel like the sugar has melted. Now we pour it. Just make sure you pour it from up so that you can get the foam, because the whole point of the tea is the foam. So the foam of the tea is what we call raza, and without it, it's not really tea. You can just enjoy it. It's been 3 years since I've actually had Moroccan tea, so it tastes exactly like I remember. Tastes exactly like Morocco. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe for more content like this, and just share the video with your friends, like it, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And I apologize if the quality is not top quality because I've just started. I just wanted to share part of my culture, part of what I know, and part of what I'm learning. And of course, thank you so much for watching the video. Bye, and I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.